Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm showing you guys how to edit in Google Photos. This is going to be really simple, really fast. I'm going to jump right into it. Here we go. So I'm going to start off by opening my Google Photos app, which is in this little folder right here. Just click on Photos. Okay, and now I'm just going to be editing this video. I'm just going to look at the bottom where it says Photos, Albums, Assistant, and Sharing at the very bottom, and click on Assistant. Now that opens this page where it says create new at the very top under the search bar. It says album, photo book, movie, collage, animation. I'm going to click where it says movie. And now I'm going to select new movie. Obviously, if you wanted to, you could select one of their templates or their pre-made little template files here, but I'm not interested in doing that right now. I want to make my own fresh movie from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to start with new movie. I only have one clip that I want to add to this movie, so I'm just going to scroll all the way down, and here's my clip. And if you had multiple videos that you'd like to add to your video to edit, you can do that. Obviously, you can select up to 50 photos or videos, but I just want this one clip here. This one video. So I'll click create at the top right. Now it's creating a movie, obviously. Just downloading the clips, getting me ready. Now what I'm going to do, because this is the clip that I've selected, I need to use a bunch of different parts of this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate it. First, I'm going to mute it. I went to that page by clicking the three dots to the right of the little play bar situation here, the little clip to the right. There's three dots underneath the music note. I'm going to click that. It says unmute or mute. I'm going to mute it. And I'm going to go right back to that same menu. Click show entire video at the very top, because what Google Photos does is it selects a small portion of the video on its own, and how does it know what part of the video I want to use? So I don't like that about it, but you'll just select the entire video, which is fine. And then I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to duplicate it one more time. Duplicate it 3 times, because there's 3 parts of this video that I want to use. If you just have a video where you're talking and you just wanted to trim the beginning of the video and some points, the end or whatever, that'd be really easy. But for me, for this video, is me doing my eyeshadow. So I want to have a video of me, a section where I show the eyeshadow. I want to have a section where I'm putting the eyeshadow on one eye and a section where I'm putting the eyeshadow on the other eye. I know that much already. So I'm going to go back to the very beginning and see where I want to start. And as you can hear, there's music. So I'm going to go to that music note to the right of the little play field here. And I'm going to click that music note. And I'm going to select no music. If you want to add music to your file, you can select from the music that they have in Google Photos, or you can add your own music that you have stored on your phone. And they do want you to respect the copyright of others. Just know that if you add someone else's music onto your YouTube video, you're going to have to you're going to have some copyright issues. So let's just start off with the beginning. I took the music out of the video. Let's see where I want to start. I want to start off right here where you're seeing me showing my eyeshadow, which eyeshadow I'm using. So I'm going to go right there where it's focused, and that's where I'm going to trim. All you have to do to trim the video is select the little white bar, and it'll turn blue when you select it. So I'm selecting that little bar and dragging it to the point that I want it to start. So I want it to start right there. So that now that's where your video starts, right? And I kind of wanted to stop a little bit after that. So let's just take the far end of the clip and drag it in a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to catch one. So let's go back to the beginning. See, now when we do that with the first clip, when we start from the very beginning, what's going to play is what I have selected from the very first video file. You cannot select multiple regions. That's why I duplicated it, because you cannot select multiple regions from the clip. Now I want me to be putting it on. So that's pretty close, you know. That's pretty close to where I want anyway. The second clip is already pretty close. So let's rewind it to the beginning and see what we have. Okay, so the second clip is pretty close, but obviously the third part of the video is something that I want at the very end. I don't want that selection. So I'm just changing my selection to kind of get closer to the area that I want. What you could do if you don't know where it is at all, you could start right where the other video ends, the other clip ends. And I'll just do that so you can see what that looks like. See, I want to start off like right there. There's also a white line that just plays along with your clip as it's going. When you pause it, that white line shows up to let you know where you've paused it. You can see that on the very last video in the middle of my gray bars. You can see that white line is very thin, so I hope you can see it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cursor at the beginning and I'm going to drag it kind of sort of to where it was and play and see how that looks. That's good for me. So I'm going to play from the beginning. Okay, so that's good. So I'm not adding any music to this clip. I've been having trouble, actually. I'm going to keep it all the way real with you guys. I've been having trouble with adding music to the clip using Google Photos, so I'm not even going to try. But what I'm going to do is hit save at the very top right corner, because I'm done editing my video. Hit save. Okay. Then it takes you back to this screen here, assistant. And what you can do is you can search for creations, because I struggled with finding the video after I did that. So what I look for is I search for creations, because that's where it should be. And it should be this one right here. Let's see. I made 3 just to see if I can make it work. So let's see if this is it right here. I've been making it all day. This looks like it's pretty much good. Okay, that's it then. So boom, that's the one I want. That's the one I want. Go to the bottom where it says share, the little share symbol. And from here, you can upload the video to YouTube. Like at the very bottom, there's a YouTube icon where it says create link, shared album. Let's see, I might share it. I'll save it to the drive. There we go. That's a good idea. Save it to the drive and hit, I'll just type eyeshadow and save.
Okay guys, so after I was patient and actually waited for the video to finish uploading, I now am able to see my video here completed and all the way uploaded. So let's see how it turned out. Okay, so the video is fine. Now you have your video here. You can download the video. You can share the video. I'll show you guys how I upload to YouTube from here. I can just hit download. For some reason, it works better for me when I download it from my drive. I don't know. It's just like that for me. It's probably regular and normal for everybody else, but now I hit the video. I called it and I go here. I hit share, and I'll share it to YouTube. If it will go ahead and go. And we'll title this eyeshadow or whatever. Yeah. Eyeshadow. And eyeshadow for the description. I'll keep it unlisted just so you guys can see. And I'll hit share. See what happens. Okay, you see? 20%, 40%, 61, 88%. As you guys can see, it is uploaded onto YouTube. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is how you edit on Google Photos. I'm sure other people do it a little bit differently, but and also there are apps that allow you to add music and stuff, and you might not have the problem that I had with Google Photos, but for some reason I'm having trouble adding music to my videos in Google Photos. So that's why I think if you're just talking through a video, this would be very easy to do. Thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.